Plasma may be one of the buzzwords for TVs these days, but did you know it can also help you look younger? A new technology harnesses plasma to create new life for skin at its foundation. The totally new technology is called Portrait Plasma Skin Regeneration, and it works on everything from wrinkles and sun damage to pore size and sagging skin.
Well, Portrait is different than any other plastic surgery procedure in that there really is no cutting. There's skin tightening that occurs and there's skin regeneration that occurs, so you get improvement in wrinkle lines and skin discoloration, but you really don't have the pain and some of the complications that you see with other plastic surgery procedures.
Portrait Plasma Skin Regeneration delivers pulses of heat energy to the skin's surface, as well as to the deep layers underneath, stimulating skin remodeling. Old damaged collagen is replaced with the birth of healthy new collagen. It can reverse years of damage. The latest FDA clearance of the procedure allows for both facial and non-facial treatments. The unique Portrait procedure simultaneously works on everything from cosmetic issues like wrinkles, age spots, and areas of lax skin, to health issues like benign skin lesions, including actinic keratoses, a precancerous condition. Phoebe's skin was damaged from spending lots of time in the sun, and she hated her wrinkles.
What I'm looking for is a really good result without a whole lot of pain and downtime, and so surgery was not an option for me.
Phoebe talked to her doctor, who recommended this non-surgical treatment, which has been in use for over a year.
What's actually striking about this procedure, and very different from everything else, is that there are continuing changes underneath the skin for up to a year and maybe longer. That is, the collagen continues to thicken during this time. Sun damage undergoes a reversal process. So that's what's truly amazing.
And patients are seeing results.
It's ongoing. My friends and family that have finally realized what I have done said that it was the best decision of my life.
The Portrait Plasma Skin Regeneration procedure takes about 30 minutes. It can now be done on the entire face, just targeted areas like around the eyes and mouth or other parts of the body. I'm Danielle Adair.